Place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Press the clips firmly to secure it. Repeat the same procedure for the passenger seat. Do the same for the rear seats. Adjust the position so that the edges fit snugly. Press the clips firmly to secure it. Finally, fit the mat in the boot. Carefully adjust the position of the edges to ensure the mat fits more snugly and lies flatter.